Hey guys, today we're going to learn another easy guitar song using single strings and frets, and it's called Dance Monkey. This song is a really good one to start learning rhythm, and because of the beat of the song. So let me go ahead and show you what it sounds like. So we're going to start on the 4th fret. We're going to use the open D string. So 4th fret on D, open D, 2nd fret on D, and then the 4th fret on A. So it goes like this. So the 4th fret, you start on the 4th fret on the D string, and you're going to play it like this. So 3 times, then open D 3 times, 2nd fret 3 times, and then 4th fret on the A string 3 times. So all together it just goes like this. And if you're noticing, what I'm doing over here is I'm stopping the motion of the string with a little bit of my pick, and I'm lifting this finger so that it doesn't ring, because we want to work on that technique so that we don't have it sound like this. We want to shorten those notes up, so to do that I'm going to lift this finger just a little bit. So and when I do an open string like this D string, I'm stopping it with this hand. So I'm using my finger and the pick to stop it. So let's do that all together. So 4th fret, D string, open, 2nd fret, 4th fret, 4th, open, 2nd fret, 4th fret on A. I hope you enjoyed that video, guys. If you have a request for a song that you'd like me to cover, then leave it in the comments below. If you enjoy the videos, click subscribe above. See you next time.